Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, so we're given this ciphered text, and all we know is that it was ciphered using a cipher that's going to be similar to f of p is equal to p plus k mod 26. Okay, so that means to decrypt it, taking the inverse of this function, we know it's going to be equal to p minus k mod 26. So how do we figure out what k is? Well, one thing we can look at is common letters, and the most common one in this cipher is O. Okay, and in our alphabet, O is the 14th. It's going to have a value of 14. Now, the actual most common letter in English is E, and E has a value of 4. So it's going to be worthwhile to test where we set k being equal to O minus E, the difference between them, which is 10. So we're going to try this message. We're going to try to decrypt it with p minus 10 mod 26 and see where that gets us. Now, of course, this might not always work just by what phrase you have. Okay, so the first step, of course, is to translate what we have into the corresponding numbers, right? So this is going to be 3, 24, 2, 21, 14, 14, 25, 25, 14, 1, 12, 17, 10, 23, 12, 14, 3, 24, 3, 1, 14, 10, and 22. Great. Somehow that all fit. And then now we're going to take minus 10 mod 26 of each one. So this would give us a negative 7 mod 26. And so that's going to translate to 19. So it'll be a 14. Negative 8 is going to give us 18. We'll have 11. 4, 4, 15, 15, 4, 17, 2, 7, 0, 13, 2, 4, 19, 14, 13, oops, I miswrote this one down. This is n is a 13. That's why I was catching my spidey senses there. Okay, so that would be a 3. Then the 1 is a negative 9. So that's 17, 4, 0, and 12. And now we can retranslate that. So this is going to be TO. It's promising. That's a real word. SLEEP, also a real word, so that's nice. PERCHANCEDREAM. Okay, so to sleep, perchance to dream. More poetic than grammatically correct, but that is our decryption.